A very good day to you. I'm Hank Gross, MidHudsonNews.com. It's Friday, July 1st. The news today brought to you by the Galleria at Crystal Run. State Police at Kingston Bureau of Criminal Investigation has arrested a 24-year-old Putnam County man on felony charges of grand larceny and identity theft. On October 7, 2021, troopers were notified by Mid-Hudson Valley Credit Union of a larceny of some $131,300. An investigation led to Yariel Villegas. Police say the investigation revealed Villegas opened a fraudulent account with the credit union using the stolen identity of another person. He then made several expensive purchases throughout the Hudson Valley, including jewelry, clothing, and airline tickets. He was arraigned in Town of Ulster Court and released on his own recognizance. A man was rescued by the Rhinebeck Fire Department after being struck by a tree he was cutting down on Thursday morning. The man was airlifted to Albany Medical Center for treatment of his injuries. The fire department and an ambulance from Northern Dutchess paramedics responded to the area of Route 9G and 199 for a report of a man yelling for help. First responders located the man, who'd been pinned under the tree that he was cutting down several hundred feet off the road in the woods. Firefighters were able to move the tree, and EMS personnel transported him to a prepared landing zone at the Dutchess County Fairgrounds, where he was placed on a LifeNet helicopter and flown to Albany Medical Center. Hospital officials and doctors gathered at Vassar Brothers Medical Center in Poughkeepsie on Thursday to announce that Nuvance Health Heart and Vascular Institute is now an affiliate of Cleveland Clinic's Heart, Vascular, and Thoracic Institute. The collaboration has taken 2 years of research and negotiations. Cleveland Clinic is the nation's top-ranked heart program, according to U.S. News and World Report, and is considered by many to be the best in the world. This collaboration, according to Nuvance President and CEO, Dr. John Murphy, will further elevate Nuvance's high level of cardiovascular care in New York's Hudson Valley and Western Connecticut regions.
They look closely at our data, both in terms of patient outcomes, patient safety, even the patient experience, how satisfied are our patients, how cost-effective is the care that we provide. And then they basically compare our numbers to their numbers and say, listen, here's an opportunity for you. And then they provide us an action plan.
Dr. Murphy told Mid-Hudson News the affiliation is an expensive one, but it will benefit patients. He said the generous financial support from philanthropists Jean and Nancy Beard has made the collaboration possible. More news right after this.
Find over 100 retailers allowing you to spend hours shopping safely at the Galleria at Crystal Run. Enjoy the big brands and the diverse selection of family-owned stores all in one location. The Galleria at Crystal Run offers dining options for everyone with Fuji 110 Grill, Allen's Mediterranean Grill, and Peru Cuisine. Discover the Mid-Hudson Valley's premier shopping, dining, and entertainment destination, the Galleria at Crystal Run. For more information, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or visit GalleriaCrystalRun.com.
If you're planning to picnic or go swimming at Lake Welsh Beach and picnic grounds in the Harriman State Park this holiday weekend, you'll have to find an alternative location. The state has closed the area until further notice due to a harmful algal bloom that has affected all of Lake Welsh. The lake's public boat launch has also been closed until further notice. The closures are necessary to protect public health and safety, the state Parks Department says. In an effort to attract more visitors to Port Jervis, the city's going to highlight what it has to offer with new signs. Mayor Kelly Decker says the plan is to direct tourists to the city's attractions.
One of the things that we are actively working on now is signage on 84, off of 84, through the city to guide people to locations that they can come and visit.
Port Jervis is bounded by the Delaware and Neversink rivers and has a large outdoor railroad museum as well as restaurants and other historical sites. A 26-year-old woman from Georgia was killed Thursday on North Road Route 9 after being struck by a pickup truck. Town of Poughkeepsie police are investigating the accident. The accident occurred just before 5 a.m., a short distance north of Winslow Gate Drive, in front of the former Hudson Valley Psychiatric Center. The collision occurred in the center turning lane, which separates the north and southbound travel lanes on North Road. Town police say the preliminary investigation reveals a woman from Georgia was struck by the truck driven by a 48-year-old woman from Hyde Park. The victim had been staying with relatives in the area prior to her death and was employed by LCS Facility Group as a cleaner at the Culinary Institute of America. I'm Hank Gross, MidHudsonNews.com. The news today brought to you by the Galleria at Crystal Run.